We are in a first grade class and we're going to be learning about the three main types of clouds, which are cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. And to start the lesson out, I will hand out a KWL chart, and I'll tell students that they'll be filling out the first and the second box, which are what do you already know about clouds and what would you like to learn about clouds. And I'll explain to them that the third box, what did you learn, is for the end of the lesson before they leave. So after they're done filling out that chart, I'll have everyone go to the carpet and I will draw popsicle sticks, and a student can either tell me one thing that they know already about clouds and one thing that they want to learn about clouds. And giving them the option will make them feel more comfortable having to answer the question. So if they don't know anything about clouds, they can just tell me something that they would like to learn. So after we go over that, I'm going to have draw three of the types of clouds on the whiteboard and put their name by it, and then I'll hand out this information sheet to every student, and then we'll read it together. The first one is cumulus clouds. They are the puffy clouds that look like puffs of cotton. They do not get very tall, and they are indicators of fair weather. If they do grow tall, they can turn into thunderstorms. And then we will go over the stratus clouds, which are flat sheets of clouds in the sky, and it can mean either an overcast day or a rain day. And then the last one is cirrus, which are the feathery clouds, and they're really high up in the sky. They're so high they are made of ice particles. So after we go over that, we will do a worksheet together as a class, and we'll go back to our seats, and I will model this under the document camera. So each box you put the different kinds of clouds, you'll label it and draw the picture, and then there's 12 description words for each cloud, and we'll have to figure out which box they go into. And I'll be asking for volunteers as we do the worksheet to tell me which description word goes with which cloud. And then after we do that, I'm going to have the students do an art project. And this is how it's going to look. We are going to use cotton balls, and we're going to model each of the different types of clouds, and then we'll use a glue stick and glue the cotton balls on, and then we will label it. And also, after they're done doing the art project, I will have students come up one at a time and explain their project and explain each cloud in their own words. And then for differentiation, if students do not want to do the art project, they can either demonstrate a song or a poem about how they remember the different types of clouds, or they may do an alternative worksheet and then just share information facts on clouds. And then I also put in here that for ELL students, I will provide the information sheet in Spanish.